Hello and welcome to Wordpress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to scrap Amazon's products and add them to your website just like this. You can see we have categories, air fryers, vacuum cleaners, drones, appliances, toys, and earbuds. And then we have some hot deals with multiple tabs. And then we have electronics with multiple tabs. We have home appliances, multiple tabs again, toys and games, shopping brands, and our blog section, and finally the footer. So let's say we are adding the products to our kitchen, or cleaning, or electronics and gaming laptops. If currently I show you my gaming laptops category, you can see I do not have any products yet. But in other categories, I have this much products: air fries 52, compact size 23, cordless vacuums 44, drones 97. So in gaming laptops, I will show you step by step how you can add these products from Amazon. So first of all, let's log into your website's WordPress website dashboard, and I already have my WooCommerce and some products built in, and I already have these categories listed here. So if you see, I have this drop down with all these possible categories, and they are already added in the menu. So this is the plugin which I want to show you today. Let's go to Amazon Scrapper, and here is the download Chrome extension. If you don't see these fields in your website, your plugin, then you must install this Chrome to your Google Chrome, and this will only work with Google Chrome browser because this is a Chrome extension. Okay, once you install this, refresh this page, and you will be able to see these two fields. And once you see these, then let's go to Amazon. I will show you how you can get this plugin at the end of the video. So let's go to Amazon, and let's add some gaming laptops to your website. So let's search for gaming laptops, and here's the result. And I will only add 5 star, 4 stars and up. So just refine the list. Okay, here are the laptops I want to add. Just copy the URL and go to your dashboard and paste that URL here to get the single product pages. So first get URLs from listing page. It will crawl Amazon's listing page and will give you some URLs here. So it's taking a couple of seconds, and we have 17 URLs here. Okay, now before clicking on start scrap, let's choose the category, which was gaming laptops, and the product type is external affiliate product, as this is an Amazon affiliate website. Margin will be 0, and add your affiliate tag. Now click on start scrap. Once you click on start scrap, it will crawl each of these products, 17 products, one by one, and will get that data straight into your WooCommerce store. So if you open this page, you can see we have one product, and now it opened another one and another one. It will crawl each of these 17 products one by one, and at the same time it is grabbing this data into your product section. So if we go to the gaming laptops category again and refresh it, you might see 2 or 3 products already added. Let's refresh again. Let's see if we chose the correct category. Gaming laptops, yes. Gaming laptops, yes. So one of one processing, one products created. Let's see, we have 3 products added yet, and the fourth one is in progress. So while these products are still getting, let me show you one product by opening the single product page. Click the product, and We have the price, we have the category, we have rating, and we have 4 reviews from Amazon as well, and we have multiple high resolution images as well. So this is the short description, this is the buy now URL, and if we go to the description, we can see the reviews, and the most interesting part is that it grabs a video for that same laptop, Legion Pro 7i, Legion Pro 7i, and it will add that video above your description. And the other thing is that description is according to SEO. If we edit this product, then you can see that the SEO for Yoast SEO plugin is already 100%. So both will be good. The readability and analysis, SEO analysis and readability will be good already, because it's the plugin is already getting the keywords, it's getting the meta title, it's getting the meta description, the slug, and it's already putting the keywords in the description properly. So this is SEO ready product, and the video is also there. So if we play this video is about
Lenovo's Legion Pro 7i has been completely redesigned for 2024.
So this is the full review of this product. Then you will get the most engagement from each of your products. So this is how easily you can add these products to your WooCommerce affiliate store, and it's already having that tag. Now you can see we have 11 products and still in progress here. So this is how you can add these products, but let me show you how you can get this plugin. There are actually 3 plugins combined. One is this Amazon Scrapper plugin, one is this YouTube video, and one is the main theme, that is this one which you are looking at. So if you go to import woocommerce.com, then we have this import Amazon's products to WooCommerce, this plugin for $20, this SEO AI content generator for $30. This is using ChatGPT. So these two are $50 alone. But if you buy this $50 theme, affiliate theme for WooCommerce, which is this one, then you will get these two free. So this Amazon to WooCommerce $20 and this AI content generator for WooCommerce will be free with this one. So if you buy this one for 50, these 250 plugins, $50 plugin will be already free with this. So once you buy these, install the plugin, have this website, and then you will get all these 3 plugins activated. YouTube videos will be automatically added, Amazon Scrapper will be automatically added, and the AI, the tools, settings, go to settings, the ChatGPT API. So this will also be free. So you can add your ChatGPT API key and save changes. Once you save changes, don't click start update, just save the changes and start using Amazon Scrapper, and all this which I showed you will be automatically done, and you can get as much as products you want. So let's refresh and let's see how many. Yes, total 17 products. So this is how you can do it automatically. And please let me know in the comments if you know anything else about these 3 products, and I'll happy to answer. Thank you.